Today, I answer some questions and it's about how social media has helped families, social workers, and the government and this. So first, is about for families. Social media helps families stay connected and informed during disaster. Real-time update on social media platforms enable families to track the status of loved ones, providing reassurance and comfort in times of uncertainty. For example, Facebook safety checks feature, for instance, allow users to mark himself as safe, giving families peace of mind. Second is for social workers. Social media empowers social workers to coordinate relief efforts and provide critical support to affected communities. By leveraging social media, social workers can assist the needs of affected communities, mobilize resources, and communicate with other stakeholders. Social media platforms also facilitate collaboration between social workers, government, and NGOs, ensuring a more effective response to disaster. Third is for government. So government around the world is increasingly using social media to enhance their disaster response effort. Social media platforms provide a channel for governments to disseminate critical information, update, and alert to the public. By leveraging social media, government can allocate resources more effectively, identify areas of greatest need,